strong one. It was, I know, but it was really quick.
There you go. Got him?
Yeah.
What you got, dude? Bring him on up. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Reel, 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 reel. Walk over to him. Come on, reeling. That's a nice one, dude.
Woo! Dang, that's a big old mullet there, bub.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Ow! He's kicking your butt. He's kicking your butt. Reel, reel, reel. There you go. Reel, reel, reel. Bring him on up. Bring him on up. Oh, he ain't giving up. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Walk to him. Walk to him. Reel, reel, reel. Now walk him back. Walk, 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 walk back. Reel, reel, reel. That's a nice one. There you go, dude.
What's up, dude? Did you have some fun today?
Yeah.
What kind of fish did we catch?
Do you know it? We got 2 citations.
2 citations. What, one for you and one for Daddy?
Yeah.
Let's see here. 1 pound 8 ounces. And then 1 pound 11 ounces. B-man.